Big update, guys. Pharos Testnet just added brand new tasks, and if you have been hunting for the next massive airdrop, this could be one of the biggest opportunity of 2025. In this video, I'll explain what Pharos actually is, why it matters, and then show you step by step how to complete the new quest so you don't miss out. These are the new tasks that have been added to the Pharos Testnet, and we are going to go through these tasks and tell you how to do the tasks. But first, Pharos is a layer 2 testnet built to scale Ethereum. It focuses on fast transactions, low fees, and interoperability. Similar projects like Arbitrum, Optimism, and Blast all rewarded their early testnet users massive airdrops. So let's go and do the first task first. Here we come to the earn section and to do the R2 task here. So we enter this section and you see here we will need to swap, and for swapping we will need some tokens. In order to get the tokens, you should come to their Discord, and I put the link to their Discord in the description of the video. You need to enter our Telegram group so that you can see the links there, and I put the link in the description of this video. When you enter their Discord, first you need to verify, and in order to getting verified you need to enter this captcha there. So in order to get the faucet tokens, you need to come to this section after verifying. After you have gotten verified, you will need to come to the Pharos section here. And after that, you need to paste your wallet address, which you are using in the Pharos website, in this section. Then you claim faucet tokens. So it says that you need to verify your wallet. And for that, you go to this section and you authorize this app. For claiming faucet, we come to the Pharos section here. And then we type just like this, faucet, and we click this one. Now you can enter your wallet address. Okay, as you can see, he says claim failed. Please try again 24 hours after your previous claim. It means that I have already claimed it because I tried for 2 or 3 times, and I have claimed the faucet. So for using the faucet, you only need to come here and you will write just like faucet, and you will enter your address here. Then you will put enter and send it. That's all. Okay, after claiming the faucet, we will come back to the R2 money. As you can see, you can access this section from this part, R2, and you come here. Then you connect your wallet to this website using the MetaMask. Okay, as you can see, I've connected my wallet to the website. Now you choose the network and you come to Pharos Testnet because we want to swap the coins on Pharos Testnet. Now you choose R2 USD here and click swap. As you can see, I have got the faucet. Now you can choose how much do you want to swap to R2 USD. Just click on buy. It writes approving the transaction. So you will receive a transaction in your MetaMask wallet and you confirm it, and that's all. So after swapping in the swap section, we have earned the points already. Now we will need to come to the savings section and click SR click SR to USD here. Click on earn. As you can see, I have 20 because I have swapped 20 R2 into R2 USD. Now I choose 10 of them and swap to SRUSD. You will you will see a transaction in your wallet and you confirm this. Next, we will go to the lend and borrow section because spot section has some bugs and it's not giving points and it's not working right now. So we will go to the lend and borrow section and click on supply. First of all, when you enter this website, we will connect our wallet, and here it connects. So here we enter this website and we connect our wallet in this section. And here you can see a transaction, which here we see a transaction in our wallet. You should connect your wallet to this website. Here you can see your wallet balance for PHRS, for USDC, and other tokens. I choose USDC and connect on I choose USDC and click on supply button. Now here you enter the amount, for example 10 USDC, or you can choose 5 USDC. Then you click on a Pro button, and there will be a transaction in your wallet. Here we check the transaction, it's on Pharos Testnet, and confirm it. Here it says that you supplied 5 USDC, and you click on OK, close. So here we will borrow assets, and here you can see your supplies. Okay, I have supplied 5 USDC here. Now I can borrow some assets. For example, I can borrow USDC. You click on borrow and max, or you can choose 3. So here it says for 3.5, my health factor is reducing. So I choose this 2.5, or I can choose 3. 2.7, 2.5 is the best choice for this much USDC. Okay, then I click on borrow. Here comes another transaction to our MetaMask wallet. Click on confirm for confirming the transaction here. Okay, for doing this task, first time you will get 100 points, and then each time for the subsequent actions you will get 10 more points. Now you can see your supplies section here and your borrow section here. And also come and check in daily, and don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell button so that you can get informed about the updates of the projects as soon as possible.